The Trizol Plus RNA Purification Kit is based on Trizol reagent lysis technology and PureLink silica membrane purification technology. This combination provides highly pure RNA even from difficult samples like fibrous tissue. For your protection, always wear a lab coat, gloves, and safety glasses. Prepare your work area and wash buffer, and gather your materials prior to starting the procedure. To get started, prepare your lysate. You can start with 50 to 100 micrograms of fresh or frozen tissue or cells. Add 1 ml of Trizol reagent. Homogenize thoroughly using a tissue or rotor-stator homogenizer. Let the sample stand at room temperature for 5 minutes. Next, add 0.2 ml of chloroform and shake the tube vigorously for about 15 seconds. Then let the tube sit for 2 to 3 minutes at room temperature. Centrifuge your sample at 12,000 G for 15 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius. You will see 3 different layers in the tube. The colorless upper layer contains the RNA. Transfer 0.4 microliters of the upper layer to a fresh RNase-free tube and add an equal volume of 70% ethanol. Mix well by vortexing. Next, run your isolated RNA solution through a PureLink silica membrane column provided in the kit to wash away contaminants. Transfer 700 microliters of the sample to a column, which has been inserted into a 2 ml collection tube. Centrifuge at 12,000 G for 15 seconds. Discard the flow-through. Wash your bound RNA by adding 700 microliters of wash buffer 1 and centrifuging at 12,000 G for 15 seconds. Discard the flow-through and the collection tube. With the silica membrane column in a fresh collection tube, add 500 microliters of prepared wash buffer 2 and centrifuge at 12,000 G for 15 seconds. Discard the flow-through and repeat. Dry the silica membrane by centrifuging the column at 12,000 G for 1 minute. Discard the collection tube. To elute your RNA from the silica membrane, insert the column into the recovery tube. Then add the appropriate volume of elution buffer based on your starting amount. Incubate at room temperature for 1 minute. Next, centrifuge the column inserted into a recovery tube at 12,000 G for 2 minutes. Your ultra-pure RNA is in the recovery tube, ready to be used or stored at -20 degrees Celsius.